Wait, this one doesn't even have a screw on it.
And here we have Ahmed putting back together a Z. This is what on Nickelodeon they would call slime. What it is actually is a bucket of coolant. And this kid here will be swimming in it. Actually, don't.
The spring is like, oh.
And then, here's all. This garage is a mess. Here's the blonde motor.
Dude, but you see how the spring works.
Here's the used motor. It's going in.
Yeah, okay. That's all that really matters.
There's the Z. Which he needs to put an inline 5 Volvo engine in, and it'll be more reliable.
Dude, why would you take a piece out though? Why can't you just... Because I couldn't get... Moved it. Right, here's what I'm gonna do. Do you have the plenum bolts? Yeah, but I can't do it when I'm pulling it. Here. We're gonna grab the plenum bolts and thread them through and you put it down.
Here.
No, it's fine. Just stick them in so that we can just shove them through the holes so it doesn't slide at all. Oh fuck, which one is this? Just don't worry about that one for now then.
Looks like...
Spencer, look it up.
What?
Look it up.
Lift it up?
Just give me look it up. Just give me like 2 of those or 3 of them.
I don't know. My phone's almost dead. I can't.
Blame your phone.
I'm sure it is. Because I've been using it all day at work. Am I going
very, very, very slow.
Turn the lower my side.
One.
Oh.
Ow, my finger. Don't let it slide at all.
I'll hold on to it in the end. Feels like it going in.
Is it? Take this. Oh shoot.
That part didn't go in.
There we go. It's fine. Look at the plenum gasket and tell me, like, right there.
It still looks even.
No, right there. No. Why is it sticking out right there? Get another bolt. It's definitely more than one side. Move it. Push it. Let's see if I can push it. Flathead. Flathead.
Haha.
Like we even have a fucking flathead in this garage?
Probably.
Fuck no.
This, right? No, this one doesn't even have anything on it.
You lost my screwdriver thing.
It's just sitting around here in the garage somewhere, dude.
Okay, let's put it down. Stick a bolt in. Shove it. Shove one in here.
Want me to tighten it?
This one? Yeah. Stop for me. Stop. Cool.
This one's going in.
Does it hang over a little bit usually? A little bit, but it looks like it's more than one side. But that can't really be possible. Well, actually, it's hanging over that side a little too, just not as much.
That'll be fine. You got RTV down, right?
No.
Oh.
You just put enough to hold the thing in place. Fuck, I don't care about this engine.
So what? Okay, you don't care about the engine. So what is the plan afterwards then?
Kaboom! My car goes to storage.
And?
That's it. And the story.
And then you put in inline 5 Volvo motor?
No, then the car's gone for 10 years until it learns its lesson.
No, seriously?
That's a 12 right there.
I'm telling you, Ahmed. Put in an inline 5 BMW motor like the T5 has.
Fucking dumb.
No, dude, those are good motors. They don't blow up. They rev high.
They don't rev high. 65,000 is...
No. Mine goes up to 9,000.
9,000.
Pretty much. So, what I'm saying is, you get that. They're reliable motors. They're Swedish.
BMW reliable?
No, they're Swedish, dude. I'm not talking BMW. BMW motors are not the most reliable on the planet.
Do I have to see your address again?
No.
Spencer James Motor?
Ha. Hey, I said, I will say this.
Right, which one's coming out to lift the motor? Doesn't matter.
Either one of them would work.
Well, yeah, but how much should I tighten them?
Oh, I'm gonna get my tripod if you guys are lifting the motor.
It's like 50.
No, this shit. You're gonna put them from the side like this?
Your holders.
Oh.
I can't put this in alone, remember? We have to like lift it?
Here, hold on. I'll lift it.
No, not that. You lift it. Lift the fucking stand thing.
Oh, right.
Yeah, Spencer, didn't you use this shit?
I did. I thought you used it. I forgot I'll show you.
Not like that. Oh no, you took it the other way. Oh, fuck. That's what that was.
What?
Amram, the wheel's about to fall off. Wait, what? Oh my god.
What?
Basically, there's a clip at the end. It's missing. Both of them. Dude, they're both missing. Put that on the other side. The other side has the clips. We'll have to find them, dude. It's not that. It's this thing. See this? This is the top thing.
Don't worry about that now. Let's just,
That could have been bad. Lose his motor to tip it over and cracking. It wouldn't tip over. Or just lift it.
I did.
What was that?
Alright, this one.
There's an easier way to do this. You're fucking supposed to put your foot on there and pull the lift by the handle.
Oh.
No! Other way. Put your foot on top of it and pull. Yeah. Shit, man. Fucking retarded.
Fuck you.
No. Damn. I don't think I've ever seen such a dumb human being.
Oh, fuck off.
Anyways, here, move this motor.
I don't technically have to help.
That's true, but you're here. Let's turn this on.
You don't. You don't. It's broken. It's effective. You have to figure out the settings and shit.
You try the factory reset, bro?
It doesn't have a screen, so you can set it.
Oh, you don't know how GoPro works?
Oh, it's just recording. Yep, you're fucked. Luckily for me, I'm recording over there.
Where does Spencer live?
Oh, come on, don't really do that shit. The NSA already has my information.
The what?
NSA. Oh, they have everyone's information.
So you work for the NSA?
I don't know.
Spencer, how do you not know?
Because I don't have a GoPro. That's Christian.
Oh, you're the one who bought it.
You should know how to use it if you bought it.
I haven't even used it yet.
Oh,
Okay, turn it off and then turn it back on and then press the go button. The record button. No, I want. It has it on 720, 30 FPS. I want to change that.
It only goes up to 720, I think.
No, this is the Hero 2.
Alright.
Dude, the Hero 1 goes to 10. Ooh, faggy.
The Hero 1 doesn't go to 1080.
Yeah, it does. It's just not as good.
No, it doesn't, dude. I looked on the specs.
Hey, where's the crowbar for this on it? Yo.
Crowbar?
No, like the crowbar for the jack.
There's only 2 buttons?
Say, crowbar is fun. Congrats, now you're recording at the same rate I am. Is that a cookie? That's recording at 1080 and 30 FPS. Actually 60 FPS. Weird. Got a camera?
Good deal. I can do 960 or...
I'm recording at 720 right now because it's easier to upload to YouTube.
720? What's easier to upload?
It's pretty much same quality. 10 is going to be better pixel ratio, but 720 it's the best of both worlds. Smaller file size and it looks good.
Whatever, this is fully waterproof.
Almost fully waterproof. No, it's not. No, it doesn't make sense. Alright, no. Fuck.
Yeah, that's right. Exercise are out to kill you.
Fuck you, Amran.
Okay.
Motor Swap. Hey, don't lift up too much because you want to be able to loosen the bolts.
Oh shit.
I'm telling your rights, your brother that. Not you, Amran.
Can you get the pin out? This? Oh shit. What was that pin that just fell out? Take that out. The pin. Oh, what is this? That's what holds it. Holds what? That engine in that position.
By the way, you're recording.
What am I taking out? This? Huh? What the fuck? Yeah. What size is that? Whatever it is. It's American. Fuck.
There you go, you're recording.
I don't know what to do with that. Okay. Oh, whoa. Shit.
Yeah, you guys want to move all that crap out of the way.
One day, Spencer.
And by crap, I do mean crap.
Can you try this Taiwan one? Taiwan.
A1.
Taiwan. That'll work.
You gotta set the wide angle, right? The GoPro? I really hope you're gonna have enough video editing space on your hard drive.
500 or something?
Also, you want Adobe Premiere, not Windows Movie Maker.
Cam Studio.
No, that's the price.
4. Oh, it's 4? Yeah.
You don't get any options with that.
Only 4. Okay. It's sneaking me up. Whoa.
No, I hit the fuck up.
How did you even hit the pin? What the fuck?
I remember it was very ghetto the way you did it.
Yeah.
Like everything else done around here. And that's hanging it.
So your house, yeah.
You know, I did a ghetto swap too, but mine more.
Your swap was good on there.
Yeah, but mine lasted longer than yours.
Nope. What are you talking about?
Their motor blew up. That's what mine did.
Yeah, but look how many miles they drove. Probably drove twice as much.
True, but the only reason mine blew up is because I crashed.
Yeah, but you never maintained your motor. You shouldn't have crashed. It was just a game. Hey, man. Hey, lower that. Lower that. A little bit. I just shot out of that.
Come on.
Yeah, we don't really want to shoot these.
Yeah, you do.
I don't really want them to shoot me. Whoa. Dude, that's sweet. What is expensive?
You said lower it.
Not that much. Jack it up just a hair. Holy shit, dude, you almost broke this. It almost killed us. Go up. A little higher. Look at that bolt-in pin there.
Yeah, you can buy more bolts.
Dude, they keep going. It would have got, like, broken inside. Go up a little more.
Is that high enough?
One more time. Oh, yeah. Idiot. Whatever, it's fine. Whoa. Oh, you go down. No, don't go down. Don't go down. Dude, look at the angle. It's gonna break. Oh, whoa.
Yeah. Lowering is what messed up in the first place. I say move that outside so it's out of the way. Pick it up and move it outside so it's out of the way.
All the work is gonna be under the car. That was convenient.
Hey,
It wasn't in my car.
You hit the mirror. It was a shit mirror anyways. DK.
Get the fuck up. Wait, what are you doing? What? Bring the motor in.
I love how you're wearing sandals while doing this.
It's fine, dude. I don't want to scratch the ground. I know.
Yeah.
Oh shit, we have to raise the motor. It's gonna be caught already. Uh-oh. See, this is why Spencer's your slave. Now, hopefully that motor mounts in, right? Oh yeah, take out the bolts from the motor mounts.
And the washers. Samsung are safe.
They're taking a motor, or a picture of the motor. Now I'm gonna keep you on. What's the good side of the motor? I don't know.
I think we're maxed out here. We're maxed out. Maxed out.
Just take a whole fucking 360 of it. Take a 360 of the motor.
Yeah.
Why? So we could just have build pictures? I don't know.
See that one? I want to see what it looks like.
I don't know. Post something.
Damn BGs, man.
Whatever. Just put a 13B.
God damn it, Alron, what do you have today?
What's that deck there? Can we do this right now? We could, but I don't want it to like fall. If you really want to. No, it's
Let's just put them on right now.
Dude, we have like 30. We're gonna have like 30 minutes to drop that off. Let's do it. Push. We're just gonna go straight, huh?
Why am I back here?
Are we just gonna go straight over? We're gonna have to go higher.
We can't.
Why?
Max out.
No way. Listen, huh? It's fucking dumb. Dude, there's no way it's maxed out.
And also, I'm not going back behind
Dude,
you.
remember how high it was when we did it? Dude, remember how high it was when we did your motor swap?
Yeah, it was about this high.
Oh, when we moved, we fucking put that thing in the truck. Remember?
I had never it's not that big.
Oh, remember when we put it in the truck on the fucking stand? Yeah. We lifted it into a truck while we were on the stand.
There you go, straight now.
Yeah, it's fun. Still. Alright.
That's way too high though. I would not want to be under that.
We're not under it. Just push it forward. Someone push forward.
Here, you push forward. I don't have slip shoes.
Is everything out of the way? You look. I moved as much as I could. Well, like the alternator's just gonna chill there or what?
Yeah.
You have to watch it though.
We'll just move it out of the way when it gets close.
Whatever. Come on, pull in.
Come on. We're running out of daylight here.
What are you doing? How about the nighttime for us? Oh my gosh, it's scary. Dude, help him. What the fuck? Dude, the wheel's not pointing straight.
Here.
That is slippery.
Yeah, that's why I said I didn't want
Push
to.
the wheel that way.
Hey, hold on. It's off the thing.
Shit. Oh, your fender's in hell. Yeah, the drop's there. Fuck.
Alright, slide.
So it's a drop that way. Push the wheel.
It's going in right.
Go, go. Shit.
Oh, it's getting stuck on the carpet underneath.
Yeah. Move the carpet.
Yeah.
And, done. Dude, if this falls, I'm just gonna push it that way and run.
Okay. Back up a little bit more.
Oh, there's a way to fuck if it back up.
Wait, stop. You're good. Keep going. You're over it. Stop. People. Okay, you're good. It's out of the way now.
Yeah, push it that way. Yeah. Okay, start lowering it a little so you can start angling it.
You don't want me lowering. I'll help angle.
Yeah. Where's the lower?
It's on there. It's attached. It's on the little spot where it's supposed to be.
supposed to?
Yes. Quite a novel concept, don't you think?
Oh, pull out.
Stop.
Pull out.
Oh! It's getting too close to the wiring here.
You're close to the fucking firewall.
Yeah, here. You just gotta push it. You gotta push it like this while lowering.
Lower it? Watch the back side.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
I got this side, you got your side. Oh, that's what she's saying.
That's my what?
Wait, hold on, what the hell is it? Oh, just move it? Okay. No, leave it. Okay, go. Watch alternator. I know.
You got alternator, I got the firewall. Here.
Watch
Okay,
it.
stop.
What's in the way?
Let's push it. Let's start pushing it this way.
Here, pull out a little bit.
No, pushing it towards the
This
firewall.
way?
So you're about to hit the
This way?
alternator.
No, alternator's fine, dude.
Huh?
Lower it a little.
Lower.
Alternator's fine.
Okay, start pushing it towards the firewall. Because it's almost in on
No,
mine.
you have to line up the holes, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. And that's why I said push it towards the firewall so we can line up the holes. Okay, keep going. Keep going.
That's much to push it there. Okay, lower it. In goes the beat.
Wait,
Slow down.
there. My side's in.
Right.
Your side in?
Go, lower. Hold it flush, right? Wait, hold on. Here you go. You sure? Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Whew.
Yeah. See? There goes the VG. Wait, what the fuck is that?
What?
This. Harness. Should it be a hole like this? I pushed it up there. I know, but like this thing? Don't give it calm. I know, but like, oh, we can always pull it out.
Okay, so this is the VG installed.
Okay,
thank
do
you
this
for
slide
camera.
hammer shit really quick. That's just time lapsing.
I know. Well, you can edit out this part.
Huh?
There's a transmission in the way.
We'll move it.
No, just not simply move the transmission.
Why does not simply walk
Should I unhook the fucking lift?
Yeah.
Unlift it. Unhook it.
Oh, here. Got lower.
Some things that help me move this tranny though.
That's on there for you. I don't have the upper body for it. Hey. Wow. Whoa. She said. Oh. She would say that to Christian.
No. Hey, Ollie, do me a favor and pull out this jack.
Pull out the jet?
Yeah. This jack that's holding the tranny.
Wait, I can see.
We need Spencer.
How are we gonna do that?
What?
No, we need to lift this thing. Go. Spencer. get
Yo.
the fucking ass in there.
Spencer, hold the tranny.
Pull it? Where?
Hold it. Come here.
Just stabilize it.
Let me see. Ow. Just twist that way.
Okay.
What?
Just like hold it so it doesn't move when he pulls out the jack.
It's stuck on the little cup.
Well, yeah, no shit. Lift it up.
There you
Hey, ready? Hold on. Hold.
I forgot, these transmission bolts are a bitch.
You know, give me the slide hammer thing. Give me the slide hammer. Want it? Look. I know.
What the hell?
It's fine. Whatever. Give me the. Whatever. Read some read some. Alright, you get it. Do it. Sweep here. Friendliness.
The fuck? What the hell did you sweep that on? Oh.
Fuck. That's funny. You're funny. Your face is funny. Got new flywheel bolts? Yeah. Alright, and that is the part of the motor install. What's next is flywheel, clutch, and basically attaching the drive line and everything else. And then getting the motor to run. Ahmed, you are a ricer for breaking the sun. Or the torch, or whatever, the light. Get a light.
That's not words you want to hear when you're under a car. Oh, we'll be fine.
Yep, pretty much. I wish this focused better, but whatever.
There's fucking 5 of us, 4 of us.
Yeah, so it'll be easy.
So yeah, there's the torch, or the sun as Ahmed likes to call it. That is just a house lamp that they've converted into a work light. Ghetto as fuck. And as you can see, the tranny is still underneath the car. That's going. And this car is ghetto.